Joins us now, Alden. We got notification that state offices, the governor is closing at 1 o'clock, and that's of course so employees can get home safely.
And essential services will still be.
They'll continue.
Yes.
But he wants to get all those folks home safe before things start kicking up this afternoon.
And it could be a very busy afternoon. That's the big thing that we're going to be keeping a close eye on. Max HQ radar already busy again. We had that first round of storms roll through. We're dry here in the metro area for the moment, but back to our west and to our south, we do have a complex of thunderstorms that are producing more very heavy rainfall and quite a bit of lightning. These are very electrical storms at that. So we're right there in the middle of both of these areas right now, but nothing is severe currently. That's the good news. That's what's important. We don't currently have anything severe in our area, but if you are in southern Indiana from Bedford down through Paoli, English, and Crawford County, also just to the north there of Tell City, you're seeing some of this very heavy rain that's making its way towards the I-65 corridor, and even in Kentucky in parts of Marion County, also seeing a pretty intense thunderstorm just exiting the northern portions of Taylor County as well. Brighter View shows we do have one severe thunderstorm warning near the Bowling Green area, but that's the only thing severe that we have currently at the moment. As Christina mentioned earlier, our severe weather risk levels are 3 and 4 out of 5 for today. So we're up there on the higher end of that scale under risk level 4. Our main threats that we could see would be tornadoes, large hail would also be possible, damaging straight line winds will be a possibility as well. And since these storms are just loaded with water, if it falls heavily enough and over a prolonged period of time, we could also see some areas of flash flooding and also frequent lightning going to be a going theme here as well. So it's important that you stay inside when those storms are rolling through and not trying to be outside doing any type of yard work. Let's look at our high-res visible satellite. That's also critical because it's a little bit cloudy at the moment. We did see some earlier sunshine, and those clouds around block the sunlight and prevent the atmosphere from recovering, as we call it, which means there would be less fuel for any later storms to work with. But here's some more clearing back to the west of Paducah that we're going to have to watch very closely here over the next few hours. So let's look at Futurecast, which has done a fairly decent job today depicting these storms rolling through. By 5 o'clock, we'll be watching for what could be the main event for us, actually, a line of showers and thunderstorms associated with a strong cold front that'll be pushing through the region. And as that does, that's when we could see some of those main threats that I mentioned. Some embedded tornadoes, strong straight line winds, large hail, all will be a possibility with that. After that line passes us by around 9 to 10 o'clock, we'll be much quieter overnight and much cooler waking up tomorrow morning. We'll still have mostly cloudy skies around for us, and we'll see temperatures only in the 40s for much of the day with some persistent lingering showers. Then this is where things get a little wonky for us as we head into Wednesday night and early Thursday morning. Yes, that is snow on Futurecast. We could see some snow showers around the region, but it's not going to be accumulating. Our ground is simply too warm now, but these temperatures could be a little bit of a shock to the system for us as they will be back into the 30s for much of the area, with high temperatures on Thursday afternoon also staying in the 40s, and those snow showers would then transition over into some fairly chilly rain showers. Expect our winds to stay elevated through Thursday as well, so it's going to be quite breezy here over the next couple of days before we finally start to dry out heading into Friday and our weekend. Here's the 7-day forecast, only in the 40s there for the next couple of days, back into the 50s Friday and into Saturday, middle 60s on Sunday, and of course what we're all looking forward to next is the eclipse on Monday, and unfortunately we do have a chance for some showers in there, 30% chance for some spotty showers. That would also mean some cloud cover, of course. We'll get a better idea on the timing of those potential showers as we get closer to the eclipse. We'll have a much better idea come this weekend.